Hey guys, this video is a reminder about how to upload your art into the blog at connectedlearning.us. So first, obviously, you need to get on a web browser and open up connectedlearning.us and click on the blog link, which is right here. I have already clicked on that link, so we're seeing the blog below us. And now we see that Leslie's work is empty. There are no pictures in there. I'm going to log in as her and upload a file, a picture of her work to show you guys how to do it. So remember to log in. You click on this link right here where it says students can log in here. I've just clicked on that link. I'm going to log in with her username and password and then log in. And that should take me to the dashboard. From the dashboard, I want to click on Posts. So I'm doing that right there. And it's going to, by default, it's going to show you all of the posts that you own, that you are the author of. And you can see that Leslie only has one post that she is the author of. And if you wanted to change that and see all of the posts, instead of clicking on Mine, or the default, which is mine, you could click on all, and that will show all of the posts in the website. So you can take a look at other people's posts, but obviously you can see them on the website as well. So really the only posts I want you to mess with are yours, and I think that you will only be allowed to edit yours. I'm going to click on Edit. I could click here on the Edit button, or I could just click on the blue text here that says Leslie's work. I'm going to click on that, and that will open up the editing window. I'm going to get rid of this gallery option right there right now. We will discuss that in a minute. So she doesn't have any pictures on the post. We need to click on this spot right here which says Add an Image. Once I click on that, it pops up a new window and it gives me an opportunity to select the files that I want to upload. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to need to go to the spot where the file is saved. In this case, I'm going to navigate to this folder right here. And remember, it doesn't like SVG files. That's why we had to export our bitmaps and turn them into PNG files. So I'm going to select the PNG file. And it just uploaded it. And now it's showing us a preview of it right there. There are two ways now for you to put it on your post. You can either insert it into the post, or you can insert it as a gallery. And as you add more and more pictures, I think it's going to be more useful for you to set it to the gallery setting as opposed to the insert into the post. But for just one image, you can insert it into the post. So we're going to click on that button right there. And now, there it is. It's set in the post just like we want it to be. We now need to go to Update because nothing is saved here until you click on the Update button. So I'm clicking on the Update button. And it's got the little wheel telling us that it's thinking, taking its time. There we go. It tells us up here the post has been updated. And yeah, let's view the post. It gives us the opportunity to view the post. There it is. There is Leslie's post without all the other posts along with it. And let me go back now to the main blog page that lists all of the posts so that I can talk a little bit about the difference between inserting an image and inserting a gallery. For the Bart and Bob, I used a gallery. I uploaded 2 images and then I told it to display it in gallery format. So you notice that they're smaller, they're a set size. If we scroll down to Mason's work, he has inserted 3 separate images here, all as images, and that looks good too. As we add more and more images though, I'm going to ask you guys to do it in gallery format. Like Peter's work here are all set in gallery format. If you then want to take a closer look at each individual image, you can click on it. So a gallery format just reduces the size on the screen, and then any image that you want to take a closer look at, you can click on to take a closer look at. And then when you also click on any image, you have the opportunity to comment on it, which I'm going to ask you guys to do as well for a couple of your peers' images. And then you can even click on the image again. Right now here it's just showing us this individual image. If we wanted to see it in the maximum resolution that it was uploaded as, it will show it to us now by clicking on it yet one more time. In fact, you'll see that this is a reduced version of Peter's image. He actually made a very large image and didn't shrink it down probably to a size that's suitable for viewing on the web. But my web browser shrinks it to something that will fit on the screen. But if you click on it, see how my little mouse is turned into a plus button. You click on the plus button and it'll show it to you in the full size, which of course is a little bit big. But I'm going to go back now. Couple buttons. There was the individual images web page, and here we are back on the blog with the gallery view. So now I will tell you how to go and create a gallery view. So if we go back up to Leslie's work right here, and then go back one more so that we're in the editing section. I don't think we're in the editing section yet. Here we go. Now we're back in the editing section. In order to insert it as a gallery, I'm going to highlight it right now. And it should give us the option, yeah, to delete it. In order to put it in gallery format, I struggled with this on the class on Tuesday, and I couldn't find the option, but I have learned it since. You just put gallery in brackets. So type it just as I have typed it there, and that will automatically display any image you upload as a gallery. So let's now update it. I'm clicking on the update button over here on the side. That will save our changes and make them live on the website. And now it's not going to show it to us in this preview view, but if we want to, last time I clicked on View Post. You can do the same thing by clicking on Preview Changes over on the right-hand side here. I'm going to do that this time. And that opens up a new window in your web browser. And I often like to have one window where I can look at the website, or one tab, as is the case for me. Up here, I've got one tab to look at the website, and I've got another tab right here where I can do my editing. So I can edit on one tab and look at what I've done on the other tab. And you can see now that Leslie's work has been reduced to gallery size format. And that's what I like, so I'm going to keep it that way. So now you know how to upload something as an image, and then either to put it in individual, insert it as individual images, or to insert it as a gallery. And I will let you guys choose which you want to do with your work. The end.